Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you are all safe in your homes. I am Sandhya, I am going to teach 3rd standard maths for you. Before sharing the topics with you, I will give some introduction about the topic, then finally you know what is our today's topic. Yeah children, listen here. How many eyes do we have? Very good, we have 2 eyes. How many nose do we have? Very good, we have 1 nose. How much hairs do we have? Yeah, very good, we have uncountable hairs. So children, listen, we use numbers for counting the things. So like 2 eyes, 1 nose and uncountable hairs. So everyone guess what is our today's topic? Yeah, our today's topic is numbers beyond 999. What is our today's topic? Our today's topic is numbers beyond 999. Before entering into our topic, we are going to see what is natural number and what is whole number. Natural numbers are counting numbers and it is denoted as capital N and it starts with 1, 2, 3, it will be goes on. Whole number. Whole numbers are along with 0 and the natural numbers are called the whole number and it starts with and it is denoted with capital W and it starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, it will be goes on. Okay, so everyone clear this, what is our natural number and what is our whole number? Now we are going to see the today's topic. Our today's topic is write the numbers name. First topic is write the numbers name. Second one is write the numbers in figures, expanded form, short form, read the spica baggers, draw the bits, continue the numbers pattern and find the place value. So listen children, we will see one by one. The first one is write the numbers name. They given one question 708. Now we are going to write the numbers name. First we are going to write the place values. What is the first place value? Ones. And what is the second place value? Tens. And what is the third place value? The third place value is hundreds. Now you take the numbers and place value, then join and write the numbers name. 708. So write the numbers name. See, listen, our first number is 708. So write 708. So this is for 3-digit number. So our next example is 4-digit number. First you are going to write the numbers name, means first you should write the place values. Say what is the first place value? Ones. And what is the second place value? Tens. And third one is 100. And fourth one is 1000. Now you take the numbers and place values, join and write the numbers name. 7531. So now you take 7000. So write 7000. 7500. 31. So take and write 31. So this is for the write the numbers name. So they given 3-digit number and 4-digit number. So simply write the place values, then join and write the numbers name. So our next topic is write the numbers in figures. So we will see that. So listen children, write the numbers in figures. First they given the numbers name, we should write the numbers in figures. So the first number is 308. So 308 means we have our 3 numbers. So take 308. So this is for 3-digit number and second one is 5004. So take 4-digit number 5004. So this is for write the numbers in figures. Listen children, our next topic is expanded form. So we are going to see the 3-digit number, 4-digit number, expanded form. First they are given 609. First you should expand this form. Okay. So how will you expand this? Already you know. While you are expanding the form, just insert the 0 and add the plus symbol. So first you listen 609. I will take 6 first. So what is our first number? 6. Remaining how many numbers we having? Totally we have 2 numbers. So simply add 2 zeros. So the first value is 600. Then you add plus symbol. Then notice our next number 0. Take 0. Next plus. Then what is our final number? Our final number is 9. So write 9 here. So this is called the 609. So the expanded form of 609 is 600 plus 0 plus 9. So our next example is without 0, 578. So what is the number? 578. First you take 5. So remaining we have how many numbers are there? Totally 2 numbers. So add 2 zeros. So take this 500 plus, so what is your second number? 7. So after we have only one digit, so add 1 0. So it is 70 plus the final number is 8. So write 8 here. Okay. So the expanded form of 578 is 500 plus 70 plus 8. So next we are going to see the 4 digit number. So with 0 and without 0. So 4 digit number 6083. First you take a 6. So remaining how many numbers are there? 3 numbers. So add 3 zeros plus. So what is your next number? 0. So write 0 here. Then you put plus. Next one is 8. 8 after we have only one number. So add 1 0. 80. So the final number is 3. So write 3 here. So what is the expanded form of 6083? 6000 plus 0 plus 80 plus 3. So everyone clear this? So next our topic is 5721. So take 5000 plus, so 7 after we have totally 2 digit number. So add 2 zeros. Our next number is 2. We have only one number remaining. So add 1 0. The final one is 1. Okay. So what is the expanded form of 5721? 5000 plus 700 plus 20 plus 1. So everyone clear this expanded form? Next we are going to see the short form. So in this short form they given expanded form. You just remove the zeros and plus symbol, then you should take and write the numbers. Now you listen here, they given 3 digit number, 2 digit number, 1 digit number. So first you take this 3 digit number, create one box. Listen here. Ones, tens, hundreds. So you should write the place values here. Ones, tens, hundreds. Listen children, what is the ones place value without 0? So listen, we have 8 is there. So take and write 8. So what is the tens place value? 10 means you know only 1 0 will come. So the 1 0 value is 1. So take and write 1 here. The final one is 100 place. 100 means you know we need totally 2 zeros. So what is the 2 zeros value? The 2 0 value is 6. So take and write 6. So the short form of 600 plus 10 plus 8 is 618. Next we are going to see the next example. Listen here. Here they given 1 digit number, 3 digit number, 4 digit number. So first you make a 4 digit box. So in this 4 digit box you should write in place values. So what is the first place value? Ones. And what is the second place value? Tens. What is the third place value? Hundreds. And what is the fourth place value? 1000. So now you take and write the numbers alone. So what is the ones place value? We have 8. So take and write 8. So tens means we need only 1 0. There is no 1 0 value. So we'll put 0 here. Next we will take 2 digit 0. Okay. So 2 number 0 means we have here 3 is there. So take and write 3. So next one is 3 zeros. So 3 zeros value is 7. So take and write 7. So the short form of 7000 plus 300 plus 8 is 7308. So everyone clear this the short form? Listen children, our next topic is read the spike abacus. So you know you have a separate subject for abacus. There you should write the big friend formula, write the small friend formula, write the double combination formula. Here that and all we don't use. They given the beats, just you count the beats and write the numbers. First you listen, spike abacus. They given four values, ones, tens, hundreds and 1000. They given beats also. Just you count the beats and write the number. So I see the ones place we have 2 beats is there. So simply you write the ones place value is 2. Next one you see there is no beats. So simply you write a 0 here. The next one you see 100 place. We have 4 beats is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the 100 place value? 4. Next one is 1000 place. In this 1000 place we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally 5 beats. So write 5 beats. Okay. Next you listen some of the examples of read the spiker baggers. They given ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place and 10,000 place also. What is the ones place value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the ones place value is 7 bits. So the value is 7. And then tens place. Totally we had 2 bits, 1 and 2. What is the tens place value? 2. And then 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally we have 6 bits. So the 100 place value is 6. The next one is 1000. 1, 2, 3. Totally what is the value of 1000? 3. So the value is 3. Next one is 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 bits. So 10,000 place value is 4 bits. Okay. So remaining we have some more examples. Listen children. First one is 1, 3, 4. Next one is 1, 5, 6. Next one is 100. 100 means 100 place only we have only 1 bits. Remaining and all without bits. Okay. That is 0. Next we have 6, 3, 2. I mean 236. 167, 167, 201. These are the spiker baggers examples. The next one is draw the bits. They given the so our next topic is draw the bits. I will show you the baggers kit like. So listen here. I will draw the four lines. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay. So I am going to put ones place only 1 bit. So what is the place value of ones place? We have only 1. Okay. So next I am going to put 100 place in 2 bits. 1, 2. Okay. So the 100 place value is 2. Next 1000 place value. So I am going to put 3 bits in 1000 place. 1, 2, 3. So what is the place? What is the value of the abacus? First, ones place we have 1, tens place there is no bits 0 and 100 place we have 2 bits and 1000 place we have 3 bits. Okay. Now you join and read this 3201. Everyone clear this? 3201. So this is called draw the beads. Okay. Yeah, our next topic is continue the numbers pattern or write the numbers pattern. They are given the simple examples for you like 5 table. Listen, 5, they missed 10 and 15, they missed 20 and 25. So simply you continue this 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 5, 25. This is very easy for you. Next you are going to see the 4-digit number. How we will continue that one? 4-digit number. While using the 4-digit number, you should compare each and every number, then you should continue the pattern. Okay. So now we are going to see the 4-digit number. Each and every number you should see and continue the pattern. Listen, 4, 4, 4, 4. So your next number also 4, 4, 4. So next you compare your second number. So what is your second number here? 2, 2, 2, 2. So next also you should continue in 2, 2, 2. So your next number is 7. So see here 7, 7, 7, 7. Next also you should write 7, 7, 7. The final number is 1, 2, 3, 4. So listen here. Here we use the numbers in a forward order. So what is the next number 4 after? 4 after the next number is 5. Then the next number is 6. Then the next number is 7. So the pattern is 4 to 71, 4 to 72, 4 to 73, 4 to 74. Next one 4 to 75, 4 to 76, 4 to 77. Next example, we will keep the 0 and continue the pattern. 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is your next number? 7, 8, 9. Okay. Next you should compare in second number 0, 0, 0, 0. So the next number also 0, 0, 0. Next you compare the third number 1, 1, 1, 1. So what is the next one? 1, 1, 1. So next you compare the final number 0, 0, 0, 0. So last also 0, 0, 0. See this 3, 0, 10, 4, 0, 10, 5, 0, 10, 6, 0, 10. So the final answer is 7, 0, 10, 8, 0, 10, 9, 0, 10. So everyone clear this, continue the number pattern. So listen children, our final topic is find the place value. So already you know the place value. What is place value? The digit occupied by the place. Okay. First you see they are given 709. Okay. So now we are going to move this ones place in 9, tens place in 0 and 100 place in 7. So what is the ones place value? 9. So you should move in 9 here. The next one, tens place value is 0. So you should move in 0 here. The next one, 100 place value is 7. So you should move in 7. So clear this. What is the first example? 709. The place value of 9. Ones place. Okay. The 0 in tens place. So you should move in 0 here. Next 100 place 7 here. And one more example is there. 3581. So first you should do the ones place value in 1. Okay. So what is your tens place value here? Here the tens place value is 8. So you should move in 8 here. Next one. What is the 100 place value? The 100 place value is 5. Clear this? What is your 1000 place value? The 1000 place value is 3. Okay. So here you see there is no 10,000 place value. So simply you keep 0 here. If anybody asking particularly what is the place value of 8 here. Okay. So you simply keep the place value of 8 is, what is the place value of 8 here? The place value of 8 is 10. So the place value of 8 is 80. 8 tens are 80. If anybody asking particularly, so here what is the place value of 7? First example, what is the place value of 7? So now you see I am going to keep that one. So the place value of 7 is, it is in 100th place. So I will take like this. The place value of 7 is 700. Everyone clear this? The place value of 7 is what? 700. In case they will ask what is the place value of 3. Okay. So first you listen here. The place value of 3 means it is in 1000 place. So you keep 1000 place only 3 and remaining and all zeros. So 100 place 0, ones place also 0. So what is the place value of 3? The place value of 3 is 3000. Now clear everyone? So listen children, today we see write the numbers name, write the numbers in figures, expanded form, short form, read the spiker buggers, draw the beads and numbers pattern, find the place value. So everyone clear this today's topic? Thank you children.